Have you ever felt like your mind is out of control? Overthinking, stress, negativity. You wake up tired, not because your body is weak, but because your mind is exhausted. Here's the truth. If you don't fix your mind will control your life. But what if I told you you can reset your mind in just 7 days? This idea reflects the discipline and inner control taught by Marcus Aurelius. Day 1, awareness. Stop everything. Observe your thoughts. Don't fight them. Just watch, because you can't fix what you don't understand. Day 2, cut the noise. Reduce social media. Silence distractions. Your mind is not confused. It's overloaded. Day 3, control your inputs. What you watch becomes your thoughts. Feed your mind with positivity, growth, discipline. Day 4, take action. Stop waiting for motivation. Do one hard thing. Action rewires your brain. Day 5, discipline over mood. You won't feel like doing it. Do it anyway. This is where real change begins. Day 6, let go. Stop holding on to past mistakes. They are gone. Your power is in the present. Day 7, build a new identity. You're not the same person anymore. You are focused, strong, clear. This is how you fix your mind. Not overnight, but step by step. The moment you control your mind, you control your life. If you're serious about changing your life, start day 1 today. Comment day 1 if you're ready. And subscribe for more powerful mindset content.